Today, students, you are going to be completing a handout and analysis of a compare and contrast essay because you will be writing your own. We're going to work through an example, reading an exemplar, what my expectation is for your compare and contrast essay, talk about some prompts for you to start generating your own ideas, and then we're going to start planning out that introduction piece. So you should have this handout, which you grabbed from the counter before you left my class today. The first instruction is to do this side first. So you're going to read this article moving into the middle, and then you're going to answer the questions that are on this side of the text, okay? So make sure that you answer all questions pertaining to this side, okay? We're not going to go over those on this video today, but you need to make sure that you get those questions done. On the back side, this is for you to start generating some planning or ideas around a compare and contrast essay. For your interim, you're going to have to know how to write a compare and contrast essay. So it's very important that we practice one, and you get to pick your own topic for this one. So if you look at this back side here, on this side, it gives you all three. So if I turn it this way, it's a little bit easier to see. 3 different ways that I could generate some ideas. This is brainstorming. So I want you to fill in each one of these. So if I read through them, it says, compare and contrast. How are the activities middle school students participate in during the summer different from the activities they participate in during the winter? So you're going to generate about 3 or 4 sentences here answering that question. The other thing, which makes a better pet, a cat or a dog, and explain. So we're comparing and contrasting cats and dogs, and who's the better pet? And how are tornadoes and hurricanes similar and different? Again, you will need to fill out each one of these bubbles here, but after you filled them out, then you're going to decide which one of these do I want to write about. So you have to plan all 3, just getting some ideas out, and then feel like which one is the strongest one, and that's the one you're going to write about. So on this side, when it says choosing a topic, you will see that it says, what am I interested in? So again, I can use my plan from this side on compare and contrast to generate what I'm interested in and what have I always wanted to learn about, okay? And so then you're gonna generate these questions on the bottom. This is all planning out your topic, okay? So this paper you will use to first read a text that's in a compare and contrast essay structure, analyze the questions that are on this side, on the back side, start planning out your ideas. Tomorrow, we're going to start talking specifically about the introduction piece. But before we can even get there, I need you to plan out your ideas first. So have this ready to go for class tomorrow.